was like $6. Wait, $6. Okay.
My beauty, my style, self-growth, my way.
So as y'all can see from the title of the video, we are going to be revamping this wig. It needs a really good thorough wash and deep condition. And then I also want to reinstall this wig today using the Even Lace Bond Spray, the $6 spray that everybody is going crazy about because it's just super convenient. So for this part, I just want to do this in real time because I wanted to just show that cleaning the glue off of your lace is super easy. I have a 99% proof alcohol and I'm just using a towel to scrape it off. So you want to just kind of saturate the lace with the alcohol. I find it easier that if I just pour the alcohol directly on the lace, that it seems to lift up a lot better. So once you pour that on there, you just take that towel and you want to kind of press downwards in a downward motion to pull the glue away from the lace. So as you can see, I have the lace on my lap and then I'm just taking my towel and I'm scrubbing downward. Super easy. It does not take that long. I've been using this method for a while and I always seem to get the glue off really easily. I don't know if there's a difference between the, percentage on the alcohol that you're using, but like I said, taking it, saturating it a little bit, clean it off. Super easy. It should take no more than all of 5 minutes, really and truly. So as you can see, we've got the lace cleaned of that glue. It's time to give this this wig a really good wash. I'm using my regular products that I use when I do my wash day routine and for when I silk press my hair. I'm using the exact same products. So today for the shampoo, I'm going in with my MYBabes. This is the rosemary mint one. Actually both of their lines. I'm using the shampoo and I'm using the conditioner form. So it's really important. Oh, y'all see that black stuff coming out? See, this is why it's important that you wash your wigs when you first get them. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I got this wig when I was doing some UGC work for a brand. And I needed to just get the work done. So I went ahead and, did my install process without washing or doing anything to the wig. But as you can see, that black stuff coming out, it's probably just color, which is all fine and dandy. But this is why it's important that you give your wigs a really good wash and deep clean when you get them. That way you can make sure that they're free of that extra dye that's sitting in there. God forbid there's no no little extra surprises in your wig. But anyway, y'all get what I'm saying. It's just really important to go ahead and give it a nice thorough wash. So when I put my deep conditioner in, this is a really good time to brush through that conditioner just so you can make sure that you don't have any little lace crumbles floating around in your wig. We don't want none of that. We want to make sure all of that residue is out of there. So just give it a really good brush and, a detangle. I wanted to show y'all real quick though that I barely have any shedding from this wig. Do y'all see the amount of shedding? This is from the entire wig, shampoo and condition, barely anything left. So that's a really good thing. This is some really good quality hair. So this is the hair freshly washed and conditioned. And like I said, I'm going in with the same exact products that I silk press my hair with. For a really good silk press, we already know that we have to use softer liquid-based form products. And you don't want to go in too heavy, especially with the serums. I use my Paul Mitchell super skinny serum so that I can cut down the drying time when I'm doing my hair. So I do the same thing on my wigs, but I want to make sure that I don't put too much because we don't want that, we want it shiny, but we don't want it greasy, okay? So I've blow dried the hair using the products that I use, and I blow dried it for a while because like I said, when you do a silk press, the main key to getting that silkiness is it has to be bone dry, okay? So I've bone dried it, and this is the final look after I have done my silk press. Do y'all see the body? Baby, I might not be a wig expert, but baby, I can silk press some hair, okay? That is my thing. Now that we've got all of that over with, let's go ahead and jump into the video for the rest. It's time to put the wig on. I went through the whole entire process. Y'all can see we cleaned that glue off because this is going to be a glueless install. We are not using glue. And baby, if I'm being totally honest, I'm probably not going to use glue for a while. I really just got into the whole lace front things just a couple of months ago. And when I tell y'all, baby, discoloration from here to here, okay? I don't know what it is about my skin. And then after it happened, I started looking up other women who have gone through this similar situation. So yeah, the discoloration on the forehead, that's the thing. And I'm not trying to mess up my skin tone just to have on a wig. Like, I'm really only using the wig so I can get back to my natural hair growth. My hair is trash right now. I was in the beauty supply, okay? This right here, do y'all see? Wonder Lace, the Wonder Lace Bond by Even. This was $6, okay? $6. Glue, 30, this, $6. I tried it yesterday to see how it worked, and let me just say that wig didn't go nowhere. Before we do anything, I'm going to clean this makeup off of my forehead just around my hairline. That way I can spray it down and I don't have like makeup and all that caked up under there, because that ain't what we want. So let's clean this off real quick. So I'm just gonna take some of my Even Lace Bond spray and kind of spray it like right there at the front of my hair. I'm not necessarily spraying on the hairline. I'm really just spraying this like kind of on my hair. And then I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and just kind of push everything back. I don't wanna use glue. I mean, like I said, I'm not using glue. I'm not using gel or anything like that. We're just gonna take this spray and kind of spray everything back into place. And I'm also not doing the ball cap method, okay? Like I said, this is going to be just throw this wig on and that's it. Like, literally, I'm not doing any of the extra stuff. I feel like my light is too, I need some color. Hold on. Do y'all see the shake on that? That's suppressed, baby. I think I want to start in the middle with actually spraying down my hair. So I'm just gonna kind of I'm gonna comb these hairs that are like right on the edge of the lace. I want to kind of, I told you I keep dropping this comb. I'm gonna just comb them out of place, and then I'm gonna start to spray, and I'm gonna start right here in the middle. So I'm gonna move that out the way and then go ahead and spray. So again, when you take your spray, just kind of do it with your finger blocking it, so you only get that lace spray right in that concentrated area. And I'm just taking my finger to go ahead and push that spray in. And you are going to want to dry this too, so make sure you have your blow dryer out and ready to go, because you are going to blow dry this in place. So actually, I don't even have my blow dryer, so let me get my blow dryer, and I'm going to just stop talking because honestly this is going to be repetitive anyway. But y'all will see that I'm just kind of taking small sections, spraying, blow drying, and then we'll come back and finish it all up. I should have said this yesterday. I should have done it actually. Y'all, I forgot to spray my damn lace tint spray before I put this wig on. So I just wanted to put that out there, that if you need to tint your lace with a little bit of spray, do that before you lay it down, okay? I had put this wig on before without doing any of that, so you'll notice a little later that I do have a little bit of white cast, but it's okay. It was still cute. Let this melt in for, like I said, the next 20 minutes or so, and then we'll go ahead and do a little bit of baby hair, not too much, but as y'all can see, like, do y'all see the silkiness of this hair? Like, come on now. Like I said, I'm not gonna be too much worried about doing baby hair because I'm gonna do a flat, like, straight down type of look anyway. So like I said, we're going to let this sit in, and then we're going to come back and yeah. So I did go ahead, I took the band off camera, and I just pulled a little bit of hair down for baby hair. I don't really like a lot of baby hair, but because I still had a little bit of that white cast around the edge from me not tinting my lace like a big dum-dum, I had to, you know, maneuver. But these are the final looks. I still think it came out beautifully, and the next time I'll remember to tint my damn lace. So there's that. Can y'all tell how excited I am about this lace spray? Like, I mean, seriously, like, I had to manipulate it a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, because when I originally put this wig on, the lace was a little pale. for my skin tone because I did not spray the lace tint beforehand. I did. No, I didn't do nothing to this wig actually. Why is he screaming like that? When this wig first came in, I didn't do anything. Like, I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't like, I didn't tint the lace. I didn't do anything to this wig. I simply just like installed it because I actually did it as part of some UGC work. So I didn't do anything to the wig. So that's why it was a little light skinned around the lace, you know what I'm saying? Because I didn't do anything to it. So I had to manipulate it. Like, we had to play around with some colors and some foundation, and y'all saw I tried to spray the lace tint, which I should have just done that beforehand. I mean, I should have just, I should have sprayed it while it was off my head, but we made it work, and that's all that matters. So, baby, $6. That's all I'm gonna say. This was just super quick and easy to do. Like, if you have to, you know, get out the door and you need to be like boom, 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 baby, this is the way. I'm not a wig expert, but baby, I can still press some hair. Like, do y'all see that? Do you see the bounce? Do you see the shine? It ain't a frizzy hair in place. If y'all were feeling this video, don't forget to leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you've tried that lace spray as well, because baby, like I said, I'm a believer. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here. If you've been here before, baby, you already know what I'm about to say. If you have not been here before, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, baby. And also make sure that you are hitting that notification bell as well so you can see when a video is going up on the channel. Thanks for coming to rock with your girl on today. Until next time, bye.